Today's recipe is Anambra bitter leaf soup, and we want to show you all our ingredients for the Anambra bitter leaf soup. This cocoyam, this bitter leaf, this panda fish, this local mango, this red onion, my spices, and then crayfish, my protein, my beef and chicken, and onions, longer fish, stockfish, and my dry fish. Okay, you start first cooking your cocoyam. Well washed, you put it inside the water. You allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. The cocoyam is done. After putting it with cold water, so that it will not burn with your hand, you will set it aside. The next is bitter leaf. Put your bitter leaf. It will be on the fire while we blend our cocoyam. You don't need to cover it. Once you cover it, it will get bigger. The next is the cocoyam. By peeling the cocoyam, so blend it so that the soup will continue. You can see my bitter leaf is well cooked. You cook it like this so that it will not be bitter. So it's ready now to wash. Okay, this is my fresh pepper and my onions. The reason why we are blending it is that onions are not supposed to be seen in the bitter leaf soup, and that is the reason why I'm blending it. When you cook your protein, you don't need to put water before cooking the pepper. Season your meat. Season your meat. Cover to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Next is your crayfish. Blend your crayfish. Add a little water. Wash your stockfish with salt. Set aside. The next is your panda fish. Wash your panda fish. Remove the head. Now you want to blend bonga fish. You need the one removing the back. You then remove the back and blend it. It will be as if you have plenty sand in your soup. The back is very hard. So my protein is ready now. Wow, this is yummy. And something else. You can see I didn't put water when I was cooking it. The water came out by itself. That is the only way you can cook and the protein will be sweet. So now you can add water. The quantity you want. Cover to cook for the next 2-3 minutes. You can see my protein is ready. Remove it and set it aside. This is the mixed water and with extra water according to the quantity of the water you want. So this is the cocoyam. The cocoyam thicken the soup and make the soup not to be too watery. The next thing is to get your bitter leaf ready. I'm just cutting it because it's not everybody that like the bitter leaf to be so long. I'm cutting it a little bit. You can see the soup has started boiling. The next thing to put now is the bitter leaf. Once bitter leaf goes in, you can't cover the soup until it's done. you cover it, it will be bitter. The next is the stockfish. You put the stockfish. The next is red oil. Put the red oil. You leave it to boil 5 minutes. Now the soup is boiling. You can see how the soup is boiling.
Hi guys! Our Anambra Ofe Onugbu, popularly known as bitter leaf soup, is ready. If you are not here, you are missing. I'm inviting you guys to join me and enjoy this delicious meal. Please follow for more recipes.